Welcome back to Splash's Bath and Kitchen YouTube channel. My name is Alexis and I'll be helping you at the Victoria branch. I'll be talking to you about tubs, freestanding tubs, alcove tubs, and different types of tub installations, along with tub fillers. So if you have a tub installation, the first question that we're going to ask is, what type of tub are you looking for? Are you looking for an alcove installation? With an alcove installation, we have 3 integral walls with an integral tiling flange. With this installation, the integral tiling flange, we have tile that goes directly down to the edge. Or sometimes you can get a double tiling flange. A double tiling flange is when the tile rests directly on top of the tiling flange, but not the tub. Another type of installation is a drop-in tub. When you have a drop-in tub, you're going to need to build a deck. And with this deck, you can either use any tile of your choosing that coordinates with your floor. With a deck installation, you do need to use a Roman tub filler that is deck mounted. Then you can have your application either at the front, the side, or the back of the tub. It is your choosing. You can have 4-hole installation like this with a hand spray, or 3 holes. The nice thing about having a drop-in tub is you're going to get a really nice deep soak. You can have also with these type of applications double-sided, so you can have 2 people in the tub at the same time. So another application of a tub is a freestanding tub. Freestanding tubs are beautiful. They showcase the room. They definitely make an impact. With freestanding tub applications that have a very thin edge like this one, you need to get a Roman tub filler that comes from the floor. Freestanding tub floor mounted create a beautiful impact. You can place them on the side like this application, from the back, or to showcase your tub. So this is a freestanding tub that actually has deck mounting capability. A ledge right here. Some freestanding tubs have ledges in the center drain. Again, so we can have a double-sided 2-person soak tub. The nice thing about this application is that it is not as costly as some of the Roman tub fillers that are floor mounted. This application right here is a 2-hole installation. So we have our tub spout and a hand spray application. Another freestanding tub application, showcased here by Dervit, one of my favorite brands, is against the wall here. So you can get a tight installation with a tub filler against the wall. Another reason I love Dervit is just the quality of their acrylic. You'll see the difference between it right here. So what we have is we have acrylic, plywood reinforced with more acrylic. The thickness of the acrylic is what makes the quality of Dervit. The one main question that I get from customers is, what is the difference between fiberglass and acrylic? Fiberglass is a fiber resin with a gel coat. Acrylic is a solid form piece of acrylic that has been vacuum sealed down with fiberglass backing, as shown with the Dervit, sometimes layered with plywood. Fiberglass is more cost effective. It is great for rentals, but it is not as durable. Acrylic usually has a longer warranty. It is sometimes double the cost of a fiberglass, but it is built to last. Another type of application that is popular when you cannot get a 1-piece unit in is called a knockdown. This is showcased by Max in the 4-piece units. We have a tub, and then we have our wall sets. These are very cost-effective options for rentals or people that cannot get a 1-piece into their doorway. The one disadvantage of this is that there is seams. With the seams with this, they have to be siliconed.